When you get your car repaired or you take your car to a mechanic, you know you want to have someone that does a really good job. So you got to trust your mechanic. Look, when this car came in here, it had an oil leak and it was repaired by several other different mechanics. One in Calgary, but it didn't fix the problem. They just guessed at it. Turns out it was a valve cover that was improperly installed. Likely, screws were turned too strongly or in the wrong order, and it bent the cover and it leaked all over the engine. The gasket didn't help because the valve cover was bent. So when you take your car to a shop, make sure you trust the mechanic that's doing the work. So now this is fixed, thanks to our man Amar, and we will get that car back on the road.